Oriri kamiti ya ithurano IEBC iracirirwo ni kamiti igiri cia bunge ndugamano riu niiyumiritie gatagati ga kamiti icio cieri. Kamiti ithurano ya kihoto bunge-ini kihanda kuga ati niyo iri na uigiririku gucirira kamiti ya IEBC. Nayo kamiti ya mwanya iriga kuumbwo gucirira kamiti ya IEBC ikuruhania maseneta na bunge-ini ya bururi ni yambiririe cikaro cia guthuthuria IEBC.
I know there's been concerns out there, especially because of the process being done by the Legal Affairs Committee. But we are working with my co-chair as a team to make sure that this process is not interrupted and that this process delivers.
Kamiti iyo ya kihoto gitoguru ni mbunge Samuel Jepkonga ikauga ati iri na irua riria riri gutamania igiri kia bunge ni barasa nyukuri. Nyukuri atamanitie irua riu muoroto wake ari kwamurithia makamishna IEBC. No kamiti iyo ya mwanya gitoguru ni maseneta James Orengo na Kiraito Murungi egokorwo ikihoka maria akenya megukinyia hindi ya cikaro ciayo.
The only petition for the removal of the commissioners that we know of is that which has been presented by Mr. Barasa Nyukuri. And that petition was read out by the Speaker of the National Assembly and forwarded to this committee. Anyone else who is doing something else outside that, you know, of course, what your rights are under the Constitution. And you know where you can go and protect them.
Kamiti ya mwanya ikionekana guthanganiria wira wa kamiti ya kihoto bunge-ini horeri kamiti ya Jepkonga irari na gikaro na IEBC. IEBC irekinyitie mbere ya kamiti iyo gwititira iguru ria irua ria nyukuri.
So we'll be talking to all the authorities concerned to make sure that we take this process here.
Ona kamiti ya IEBC ni shakaite guthuthuria kamiti igiri cia bunge undu uria yugite ni gukiruka ihoto cia makamishna ake.
We are simply saying, Chairman, for the record, we are going to suffer double jeopardy.
Kamiti iyo ya mwanya iragomana wa gatano kiumia giki gikaro gia gucirira IEBC o iria kagomana kamiti ya kihoto bunge-ini wakiri kiumia giukite. Kamiti ya kihoto ni iriga kuongererwo kahinda gutabania cikaro ciayo gucirira IEBC mbere ya gutamania riboti yayo bunge-ini. Ona makamishna amwe IEBC ni maugite ni meharirie kwehera wabici-ini kugikinyana ni mekweherio na njira ya gitio. Oriri kamiti ino ya mwanya itanyitwo ukarikia wira wayo tariki 12 mweri turorete. Kamiti ya kihoto bunge-ini na no irathie na mbere na guthuthuria kamiti ya IEBC giathi kingi gatagati ka IEBC na kamiti ya kihoto bunge-ini iri kiumia turorete wa keri. Ngiribotera Inooro TV ritware kuna Macharia wa Gachuru.